Please. Imposition unlawful. You convey this. I've already instructed the district, the magistrate. You convey that this is unlawful. It is a contempt of court. Yes, it is a contempt of court. The Supreme Court has clearly stated in 1967 that you cannot invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent illegitimate. No. Please, what am I saying? This is what you want to do. Shalom, Palapur, John Tuparado, Kiprasnam, Kiji, Kibaran, Hakitan, Tapur, Dota Polampi, Ray, Hashirter, Rulu Purusam, Jolly Gari, the Kashmi. But Niar Valorem Bandana, the Sarkar Kajmi, but even Sanya Shisnan, but you from the governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi speaking state. We condemn the governor for addressing us in the language we don't understand.
I would like to thank the Honorable Speaker for allowing me to raise this issue under the call attention. And before I proceed with my submissions, Madam, I am surprised to see that a second call attention was mentioned here, which indicated my name. 2. There shall be no debate on such statement at the time it is made. So, sir, do you allow to have a debate? If you allow, then we will debate. I'm ready to debate with you, sir. It doesn't mean that you'll take advantage of this call attention and express what you feel only. We have. When you talk about the mindset, we know what is the mindset. There is a difference between the mindset of a tribal and the mindset of those who have been upbringing outside the state, sir. So when you want to talk about mindset, let us talk about the mindset. What kind of mindset you are talking? You think just because we raise issues concerning the state that we are narrow-minded?
Honorable member, please.
Don't try to insinuate. Don't try to insinuate.
Because
you speak straight to the call attention. That is the point that I've raised in the call attention. If you want to debate, let us have another platform to debate, sir. You can extend the house.
Yes, already.
Can we allow you to just speak alone?